During the 16-day police operation po ay may mga lumapit po sa PNP na nagsabi po na sila ay nabiktima rin po ni Pastor Tibuloy. So we are documenting those complaint at without revealing the identities of the possible victims po, we are now on the process of documenting those additional complaints po. I'm not sure kung nadagdagan, but what I can tell you is during the stay po ng PNP po doon ay may mga lumapit po na para magsalita at sinasabing sila rin daw po ay di umano. Again, di umano ay naging biktima din po. They were also victimized by Pastor Tibuloy, allegedly. They were also, inabuso din daw, allegedly. At hindi po, even prior po sa sila po ay mahuli, during the stay po doon, may mga lumapit po doon and we are now in the process of coordinating with the SWDs because accordingly, some of the parents of those abused children were the ones who approached our police officer there. At ngayon nga po, we are now in the process of documenting those allegedly additional victims of Pastor Tibuloy. I really cannot tell you what type of abuse ang kanilang naranasan po until such time na mabasa ko po yung mismong reklamo po nila. But what I can say to you is, yun lang po, at it was revealed to me na sinabing may mga lumapit po sa ating mga pulis at they were referred for documentation procedure po.